Hello student, good morning to all of you. How you all are? I hope you all are good. Okay, now standard 12 subject OC and chapter number 1 nature and significance of management. This is our last question in chapter 1. Here we discuss about the question is functional area of management. Okay, so you know that functions of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing and controlling, direction, coordination, these all are the functions, and different author also give according to their functions of management. But these functions, when we are doing and where we are doing these functions of management in the business, so there are areas of functional where we are doing planning, organization, staffing and coordination, direction in this department. This is the department head. Okay, here purchase department and sales department also included, but here the major department and function area where we are doing functions of the management and we are achieve our predetermined goal. Okay, now let's discuss about the functions area of management. Now here marketing management first, second human resource management, financial management and production management. This area, it is very wider, and these areas not area of function. They have a book also for particular book for the marketing management, finance management, financial market. They have a book and you can learn in a college. Okay, so here marketing management. So this is management. Function of marketing management is to get the information about the market demand. Market is a two ways. जो मार्केट चलता है वो दो वेज में होता है. फर्स्ट इज सप्लाई, सेकंड इज डिमांड. सो व्हाट इज द मार्केट डिमांड? What is the demand of the people, consumer and customer? Now it's your homework to check the difference about the customer and consumer. Okay, now here we are get information about the market demand. Okay, जो people की demand है वो fluctuate होती रहती है always, not a constant. Okay, तो टेक्नोलॉजी में चेंज है. पहले कंप्यूटर अलग था, फिर कंप्यूटर अलग हुआ, एलसीडी, एलईडी. ओके, सो इस तरह से फोन भी पहले छोटा डब्बा टाइप का था, अब किस तरह से एक स्मार्टफोन, टैबलेट. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ जो हमारी जो पीपल्स की जो डिमांड है वो क्या आती है, कॉन्स्टेंट नहीं है, फ्लक्चुएट हो रही है. तो व्हाट इज द डिमांड and how it's fluctuate in the market. So this is checking by the marketing management, and in this marketing management is to check and satisfy the customer, satisfy the consumer. Okay, so for the products, marketing management is available of the product to consumer from producers, means available of the product from the producer to the consumer, means consumer तक प्रोडक्शन जो प्रोडक्ट है वो प्रोड्यूसर से कस्टमर तक आए, एंड आफ्टर सेल्स सर्विसेज ऑफ द कस्टमर, so they can satisfied from the product and they are retained in the business in a long term period. It is a profitable of the business. So this type of strategy chosen in the marketing management. So some points and some functions are here to satisfy the customer before the sales, before the selling and after selling services. So what points to be taken in the business so customers are satisfied for the product and they are retained in the long term period of the business. Now here product and product mix. So how the product appearance, product का देखाव कैसा आना चाहिए? Because here in India and in a country they have two types of people, literate and illiterate. Okay, so जो प्रोडक्ट की जो अगर हम बोलते हैं, अगर जो लोग इलिटरेट पर्सन हैं वो अगर गुड्स लेने जाते तो वो उस पर्सन का उस गुड्स का उन्हें नाम नहीं आता है, बट थ्रू कलर एंड पैकेजिंग के द्वारा क्या बोलते हैं, यस हमें ये गुड्स चाहिए, ये प्रोडक्ट हमें चाहिए. लाइक अगर वो बिस्किट लेने जाते हैं और उन्हें पार्ले के बिस्किट चाहिए तो उस पार्ले के बिस्किट में जो बच्ची की फोटो है, उस चाइल्ड की फोटो है, उस चाइल्ड की फोटो से वो बोल सकते हैं कि यस ये पार्ले बिस्किट है. सो लाइक जो प्रोडक्ट का अपीयरेंस है वो कैसा आना चाहिए, टू बी अट्रैक्टिव फॉर टू कस्टमर सो दे कैन परचेज द प्रोडक्ट. लाइक पैकेजिंग में कलरिंग, ओके, नाउ प्रिंटिंग, size, shape, these all are things to be included in the product mix, and after sales service also given in the product mix. Okay, now price. In India they have people more in a middle class and lower class, so they want quality product at the reasonable price. And sometimes we are purchase something like milk and any other things, so we are not to give cash at that time, we are purchasing in a credit basis. So this type of policy, credit policy, discount policy, okay, so this type of points are also included in the price. Discount, okay, credit, guarantee, warranty, so this is also to be attract the customer. जहाँ पे भी अगर हम लिखा था ना 50% सेल, तो हम वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले जाते हैं, बिकॉज हमें ऐसा लगता है कि यस यहाँ पे हमें कुछ कम प्राइस में हमें प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएगी. ओके, सो ये जो स्ट्रेटेजी है वो कौन किस एरिया में आती है, मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट में. There are strategies to attract the customer and retain the product, purchasing product in a long time period. If they are satisfied, they are retaining. Now here distribution. So distribution is available product to every person at any place. Okay, now here person जो होते हैं, people, consumer, वो हर एक कोने में होते हैं, तो उनको प्रोडक्ट उनकी जगह पे मिले, वो काम क्या है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का. सो ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल लाइक डायरेक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट टू द कस्टमर. सो प्रोड्यूसर टू द customer, this is producer and this is customer and consumer. It's your homework to check the difference between customer and consumer. Now here indirect selling, indirect distribute. So producer through agent, agent through wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, retailer shopkeeper, and here agent through salesman and salesman to the customer, and here customer. So many distribution channel here, so it is more expensive of the product, so it is business can take this point, shortage of the distribution channel, so producer direct connect with the customer and they can also check if they are satisfied or not for this product, and what to be changed, some necessary point in the product. Okay, so distribution here, marketing management, when it's need of the distribution channel large in a large business, and in a small business there nothing required of the distribution channel. Okay, now here promotion. Promotion means we attract to to the customer. So how we can attract? Through advertisement, through publicity, because advertisement and publicity is a too large expensive in the business, but it is a one time expensive and it's profitable for the long period of a time. आपने फेयर एंड लवली की क्रीम देखी, शाहरुख खान की, कि हर बार तो गर्ल्स के लिए ही क्रीम आती है, बॉयज के लिए क्यों नहीं? क्यों? बॉयज गोरा नहीं होना चाहते, तो शाहरुख खान की भी एड में लेके आ गई, यस फेयर एंड लवली क्रीम फॉर अ बॉयज। ओके, तो पर उसके लिए उन्होंने एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए कितना एक्सपेंसिव किया होगा? इन करोड़, इन अ करोड़, करोड़ रुपीस में उन्होंने एक्सपेंसिव किया, बट इट इज अ वन टाइम एक्सपेंसिव एंड इट इज प्रॉफिटेबल फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड, because here to attract the customer and purchase the product, so it is a promotion. We are taking publicity, advertisement, and it is your homework to check the difference between advertisement and publicity. Okay, so what is difference between advertisement and publicity and why it's need of this? Okay, so you can Google two homework here. What is different between customer and consumer, and what is different between advertisement and publicity. Okay, now we are come to the next area of function, human resource management, HRM. So here it is like as staffing. Okay, so function of HRM is to arrange the human resource so they do function of the all department. Okay, now here in this department required of employee, required of officer, required of expertise of it. Okay, here we are distributing, so it is required for agent, that also woman. It's required of a salesman, that also woman. Required of wholesaler and required of retailer, they all are woman. Okay, here doing planning, that also woman. So in this business we are switching on and off, it's also required of the employee. So it is arrangement of human resources at right post at right time. Okay, so we are doing function of all the department and function of the management, so we are achieve our predetermined goal. Now here some characteristics of HRM, like recruitment, selection, training, promotion, direction, coordination. These points are included in the HRM and this is the functions of the HRM. Okay, here satisfied to employees for their job and coordinate and create peace, harmony among the employees in different department. So we are achieve our goal as soon as possible. Here manage the employee as they are valuable asset of the business. We are understanding in the staffing point function of management, employees are arms and legs of the business, they are asset, because if here women are not in the management in the business, so we are not doing planning, we are not doing organize our activity and not here employees, so we are not doing our complete our activity. वो लोग तो प्लानिंग कर लेंगे, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कर लेंगे, बट अगर एम्प्लॉइज नहीं होंगे तो इम्प्लीमेंट कौन करेगा? सो इट इज हियर टू चेक एंड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज बिकॉज दे आर असेट ऑफ द बिजनेस. ओके, सो दिस इज एरिया ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. देयर हैव आल्सो एक बुक होती है, पूरी बुक लिखी गई है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. नाउ हियर financial management, it is a very important area of financial management in the business, because function of financial management is to acquire finance from different area and how implement it in different area. Okay, like here I'm acquiring, so here I'm acquiring finance in the business from different area, like from the public, that is shareholder, right? And from debenture, from preference share, from bank. This is the our sources of income where from we are acquired. Okay, and how we are implement it in a production, means in a department. Okay, here different department we are implement, we are give some money to different department when it's required. Now this money we are going to invest in other area also, so we can earn some interest from it, so we can pay the debenture interest and dividend also. Okay, we purchase assets, equipment, okay, for continue the our product. So how we are implement and how we are acquire source of income. This is source of income and this is application of income. So arrange it in a well manner in the business, okay, to make profit of the business. Now set the goal of finance, how much it's required into the business according to the our goal of the business. कितना बड़ा गोल है कि हमें कितनी सारी एक्टिविटी करनी होगी, उस अकॉर्डिंगली हमें कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी फिनेंस की, टू सेट दैट गोल. नाउ प्रिपेयर बजट ऑफ इनकम एंड एक्सपेंसेस. ओके, डू प्लानिंग फ्रॉम acquired the finance and where implement it. So इसकी भी एक प्लानिंग हमें करनी होगी. Then we are organized. Then we are implementing it. Now next is production management. So here production management, function of production management is to produce goods according to the market demand. Here we getting the information about market demand कि कंज्यूमर एंड कस्टमर की डिमांड ये है, इस टाइप की है. नाउ यू आर प्रोड्यूस इट, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द गुड्स. सो डिसाइड द प्रोडक्शन प्लान. ओके, हमें प्रोडक्शन कितना करना है, हाउ मच क्वांटिटी, हाउ मच क्वालिटी एट अ रीजनेबल प्राइस. So we are purchasing of some raw material in a qualitative and quantitative. So to make the plan of it, and how much quality and quantity to maintain as per the demand. जब भी डिमांड आवे हमारे पास में गुड्स प्रोड्यूस किए हुए होने चाहिए. तो इतनी डिमांड है, उस अकॉर्डिंग में हमें इतनी क्वांटिटी में एंड इस क्वालिटी में हमें रॉ मटेरियल परचेज करना है एंड गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करना है. तो हाउ वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग, दैट प्लानिंग इन द प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट. सिलेक्ट एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मिक्स, means here product mix, here coloring, packaging, size, okay, pictures, branding, advertisement. So select those points and develop it for attracting to the customer. Now I hope this is clear. Functional area of the management, we look into the in a deeply point of this functional area and its advantages and characteristics of it. So let's discuss about the marketing management. Okay.